In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Gmail from trimming content in messages. If you've ever had the frustration of opening an important email only to find that crucial details are hidden behind a "View More" prompt, then you're in the right place. Let's dive in and make sure you get to see all those important details without the hassle. Our journey begins by first opening your Gmail account. Go to your favorite web browser and head on over to the Gmail login page. Enter your login details if prompted, and soon you'll find yourself in your inbox, ready to tweak some settings that will make your emailing experience much better. Now, let's direct our attention to the gear icon, which you can easily spot in the top right corner of your Gmail interface. Clicking this icon will reveal a menu, an entryway to all the settings you can customize. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select All Settings, which will take you to the page where we can make the necessary adjustments. Once you're on this settings page, scroll through to find the section labeled Snippets. Navigating through these options might take a moment, but don't worry, the settings are organized in a way that's straightforward, making it easy to locate what we're looking for. Within the Snippets section, you'll find an option labeled No Snippets. Typically, Gmail's default setting is to display a portion of the message text as a snippet in your inbox. This can sometimes result in the most important content being trimmed or inconveniently hidden. By selecting No Snippets, you're changing your Gmail settings so that snippets are no longer shown. All parts of your emails will be fully displayed in the inbox, eliminating any content cutoffs. This setting can be especially helpful if you're frequently dealing with important job-related emails or critical personal messages where every word truly matters. After making this adjustment, there's one more important step you mustn't overlook. It's crucial to scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click on Save Changes. Failing to hit this button could mean all the changes you've just made could be undone as soon as you leave the page. So, remember to save your new settings to ensure they take effect. And that's it. By just making a few simple adjustments in your Gmail settings, you can now be assured that you will see all of your email content fully and right away. This proactive step will not only help you stay on top of all the important details, but it will also enhance the overall efficiency with which you manage your emails. Always remember, thoughtful changes in settings can significantly improve your email management experience. Enjoy your clutter-free inbox.